Turning your engine 10V37. Turning good. And on the front, engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look nice. Altimeter look as well. Have little damage on this plastic. And on these sides, everything nice with this engine. Starter look as well, as you can see. Gearbox in good conditions, but this engine will be NGB. No gearbox. And on this side, engines looks good. Engine's turbo, no broken. On the top, all connectors look nice, no damage. And on the bottom, no cracks. And turning your engine 10V37.